Hello everyone, I am Saktishwari from Department of Physics. I am so glad to welcome you all for this interesting topic, fire alarm. Hope you are enjoy this video and learn many things about fire safety alarm. So let's see the video. Accident brings tears, safety brings cheers. So fire safety belong to the precaution which are taken to prevent or reduce the probability of fire, which may result in damage, injury and death. The fire will just less than 3 minutes for a small flame to turn into the full of blown fire. How to form a fire? Fire triangle. Fire is a chemical reaction between these three elements: heat, fuel and oxygen. Without any one of the elements, fire cannot take place. For example, if heat and fuel are present, fire cannot take place without oxygen. If heat and oxygen are present, fire cannot take place without fuel. If fuel and oxygen are present, fire cannot take place without heat. Therefore, chemical reaction between these three elements are compulsory to form a fire. How to use a fire extinguisher in case of emergency? Step 1. Exit out of the building. Step 2. 6 feet away from the fire. Step 3. Alarm must know pass method. Pass. P. Pull the pin so you are able to discharge the extinguisher. A. Aim the extinguisher nozzle at the base of the fire. S. Squeeze the lever to discharge the extinguisher agent. S. Sweep move pointing the extinguisher at the base of the fire, left to right or back to forth in repeating sweeping motion until the fire is out. Now I am going to instruct how to make a fire alarm with components. A fire alarm is an electronic detector with alarm. A buzzer makes a sound to alert the people that there is a fire in a building. If a fire in your home, get out, stay out and call for helpline. There are a basic fire prevention for firefighter: thermistor, buzzer, indicator, 9-volt battery and key. There are basic components of fire detector with alarm. Thermistor monitoring a room temperature and control a burner temperature. The circuit connection of fire detector: a thermistor pin is connected with positive terminal of key and negative terminal connect with battery. And another pin of thermistor goes to connect with buzzer, an indicator and 9-volt battery and key. Here the circuit is completed. Here the fire alarm device sends the heat and activate the sound. When I heat the bulb, here in a circuit start to act in a alarm. In above 70 degree of room temperature, the temperature increasing in a thermistor, the output of buzzer sound also increasing. In case of temperature decreases, the output of buzzer sound also decreasing. So fire alarm only primary life safety for people. Application of fire alarm. School. Parent must trust the teachers and administrator will keep their children safe at classroom. One way to help ensure of both throw a school fire safety alarm, it will alert a entire school population of fire emergency. Firework industry. In Sivagasi, Delhi factory explosion, according to the police, most of the people who died were labor who had been sleeping inside the factory. The tragedy occurred in a factory which did not have a valid license, so some such a careless fire accident with the help of fire alarm to prevent it. Hospital. A lot of machine in hospital from ECG to MRI scanner. It generates a lot of heat, making a short circuit and electric fire. So alarm to make sure do not reach dangerous. Lab fire accident caused by man-made. There are a chemical reaction fire, electricity fire, equipment failure fire, operational error fire. If there is a fire in your lab, fire spreading fast. And if you need a fire alarm to give you some time to get out the place. Apartment. People live in an apartment building. If fire start in a second floor of the building and quickly spread to third and fourth floor, if using alarm to exit out of the building in short period of time. Whatever they have safeguards, they can only work together as soon as possible. In Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir says in Wings of Fire, "You are born with wings, don't crawl, learn to use them to fly and fly." So everyone find out what sets your goal on fire and let it burn. Surely one day it's become true. I hope this video give us some understanding of fire safety alarm. Thank you.